Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, every child. Most welcome in this English class. Today we have to learn about how to change sentences of past continuous tense into passive voice form. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
So today I am going to instruct you about the structure, thereafter its utility, and finally about its examples. So you must listen properly and note it down. Thank you. Come to the point.
Okay, sir.
This is voice changing structure being used for past continuous tense. First of all, object is changed into subject. Then a question arises from where this object comes. This object refers to object of past continuous tense. It is changed into subject. Then was or where is used as per number and person of the subject. Thereafter being is used, and then third form of verb is used, and as per need we additionally use by, and finally subject is changed into object. This is the structure prescribed for changing sentences of past continuous tense into passive voice form. Practically, we learn this structure with example. First example is he was teaching me. In Hindi it means वह मुझे पढ़ा रहा था. Here the word he is a subject, was is obviously a helping verb, teaching is fourth form of verb, and me is an object. In order to change it in passive voice form, we need to change this object as a subject. So this me becomes turned into I. Thereafter helping verb was is used. Then being is used over here, and as per this structure, third form of verb is used, that is taught, and thereafter by is used, and finally this subject is changed into object. So it becomes I was being taught by him. In Hindi it means उनके द्वारा मैं पढ़ाया जा रहा था. In this way we learn how to change given sentences of past continuous tense into passive voice. Again I am repeating it for your sake of simplicity. He was teaching me. Its passive form is I was being taught by him. To clear this very idea, we go ahead to another example. Second example is Raman was watching them. In Hindi it means Raman उन्हें गौर से देख रहा था. Its passive form is they were being watched by Raman. In Hindi it means वे लोग रमन के द्वारा ध्यान से देखे जा रहे थे, या वे लोग रमन के द्वारा गौर किए जा रहे थे. In this way, you learn how to use this prescribed structure for changing given sentences of past continuous tense into passive voice form. So these are your homework. Change given sentences into passive voice form. Example first, they were killing animals for nothing. Second, she was vexing him. Third, Ram was milking the cow. Fourth, she was watering the plants. And fifth, they were sipping a spicy soup. I think you might have learned it properly, and your learned level of understanding will become checked with the help of this homework. So you must note it down and get it checked.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.